Hello students, you just read through a Prezi that gives you basic information on what a fraction is, the parts of a fraction, and how to write a fraction. Let's review. A fraction is a part of a whole, and all fractions are written by using a numerator, a fractional bar, and a denominator. So as you can see here, this is what a fraction looks like without the numbers. Here's the numerator, the fractional bar, and the denominator. Now let's start using an easy fraction. Let's take the net fraction 1 over 4. In this case, 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So this is the fraction written out, but what does this fraction actually look like? So let's just write it out again. 1 over 4. We know the numerator, we know the denominator. To draw it out, let's use a square. And we can divide this square into 4 parts. And why 4 parts? Because 4 is the denominator, and the denominator tells us how many pieces make up the whole. So this whole square is made up by 4 individual parts. Now, the numerator is 1, and we know the numerator shows how many pieces we are talking about. So how many pieces of this square should be colored in? That's right, 1. So we can take this tool and just color in 1 part of this fraction. So now, it's easy to see that 1 piece out of these 4 are colored in. So our fraction 1/4 is illustrated here. Let's try another one together. This time, we can use a rectangle. Oops, sorry about that. Let's make a rectangle. We can use a rectangle, and this time we'll split it into 6 pieces instead of 4. So let's make these 6 pieces. There we go. So that's 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of a rectangle. Let's draw the fractional bar first so we know where the numerator and denominator will go. Just from looking at this shape, we know the denominator because it's how many pieces are in the whole. So what's the denominator? Well, the denominator is 6 because there are 6 pieces in the whole rectangle. Now, if we shade in 2 of these 6 pieces, what is our numerator going to be? How many pieces out of the 6 are shaded? 2. So our numerator will be 2. And what's the fraction going to be when you say it all together? That's right, 2/6. Because 2 out of 6 of these pieces are shaded, so the fraction, we can say it as 2/6. Now let's do one more example with pizza, because who doesn't love pizza? So we can make our pizza, our very colorful pizza, sorry. So we make a pizza, and there are 8 slices in a pizza, so we'll divide this into 8 slices. That's 4 there. So here's our pizza. And there are 8 slices in our pizza. So let's take your pizza and say you're very hungry. So you're going to eat 7 slices of your pizza. So 7 of these slices are gone. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, what fraction of your pizza did you eat? Let's draw our fractional bar first to set it up. And we know total that there were 8 slices of pizza. And you ate 7 slices, so 7 is going to be our numerator. So in total, how many slices of pizza did you eat? How much of the pizza did you eat? You ate 7/8 of your pizza. So that's our final example. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of fractions and how to write them. We will continue working on examples tomorrow in class. See you tomorrow.